Good morning, students. In this class, we are going to learn about radical notation. Okay, radical notation. Listen the definition. Let n be a positive integer and r be a real number. If r power n is equal to x, then r is called the nth root of x, and we write nth root of x equal to r. Again, I'll repeat. Let n be a positive integer and r be a real number. If r power n is equal to x, then r is called the nth root of x. Nth root of x equal to r. Listen the radical sign. This is the radical sign. Okay. The next one is radicand. Root inside value is radicand. And is fifth root of 7 square. Fifth root of 7 square, right? 7 power 2 by 5. And 2 is the exponent on radicand. 2 is the exponent on radicand, and 5 is the root or index. Okay, 5 is the root or index, and 2 is the exponent on radicand. Next, cubic root of 27. This 3 is the index, and the root sign is the radical symbol. 27 is the radicand. Okay, so totally square root of 27 is radical. One is fractional index. Fractional index nth root a is equal to a power 1 by n. Nth root a is equal to a power 1 by n. This is the fractional index. Listen the meaning of x power m by n. M and n are positive integers. Okay, interpret x power m by n either as the nth root of the mth power of x or mth power of the nth root of x. Again, I'll repeat, nth root of the mth power of x or as the mth power of the nth root of x. In symbols, x power m by n is equal to x power m the whole power 1 by n, or x power 1 by n the whole power m is equal to nth root of x power m or nth root of x the whole power m. Listen one example sum. Example 2.16. Express the following in the form 2 power n. Express the following in the form 2 power n. 8, 32, 1 by 4, root 2 and root 8. Listen the solution. That before I will explain some results already you studied in your earlier classes. 1 by a power m is equal to a power minus m. Write in the inverse form, a power minus m. And root n, the symbolic form is n power 1 by 2. The a power m, the whole power n is a power m into n. You find out the product of the powers. So 8 is, I will take the LCM method. 8 that value I will take 2 because you want the form 2 power n. So I will take the second table. 2, 4 2s are 8, again take 2, 2 2s are 4, 2, again take 2, 1 2 is 2. Okay, so how many times we get 2? 3 times. We write in the power form, 2 power 3. And 32. 32 also you write in the power form 2 power n. So we write the exponents of 2. Select second table, find out the LCM of 32. So 16 2s are 32, again 8 2s are 16, 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4, again 1 2 is 2. So 5 times we get 2. So the power form is 2 power 5. And 1 by 4 is 1 by 2 into 2. Denominator we get 1 by 2 square. 2 times we get 2 in the denominator. Write in the fraction inverse form. Okay, write in the inverse form. Inverse form is 2 power minus 2. Already I explained one result. We use that result and write this value. And root 2. Root 2, that is symbolic form is 2 power 1 by 2. And the root 8 is root inside 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 is 3 times. So the fractional index is 2 power 3 the whole power 1 by 2. 2 power 3 the whole power 1 by 2. So a power m the whole power m n is a power m into n. Find out the product of the exponent. So 3 into 1 by 2 is we get 3 by 2. Listen to the next example 2.17. Find the value of 81 the whole power 5 by 4 and 64 the whole power minus 2 by 3. 81 power 5 by 4 and 64 power minus 2 by 3. Listen the solution first part. 81 5 power 5 by 4. 81 power 5 by 4. Already studied one result, x power m by n. We can write nth root of x the whole power m. Okay, nth root of x the whole power m. So we substitute this result. X power m by n is nth root of x the whole power m. So 81 power 5 by 4 is equal to 4th root of 81 the whole power 5. 4th root of 81 the whole power 5. So 81 is 9 9s are 81. You know the value. But 9 is 3 into 3. Again one more 9 is 3 into 3. So 4 times we get the root inside is 3. This one is 4th root. 4th root is, if the numbers 4 times having in the root, we take one number is outside. That is 4th root value. So we take 1 3 outside. Again the power value, exponent is 5. So 3 power 5 is 5 times, write 3 and find out the product of the values. So product of this 3 is 243. Listen the second part. 64 power minus 2 by 3. 64 exponent values minus 2 by 3. Write in the inverse form. Negative having, so you write in the fraction form. 1 by 64 power 2 by 3. 1 by 64, the exponent is positive because we take the inverse of this term. So 1 by, this one also we take this result, x power m by n is nth root x the whole power m. So 64 power 2 by 3 is cubic root of 64 the whole square. This denominator is the index. Okay, it's cubic root of 64. 64 is the radicand and the exponent is 2. So cubic root of 64 the whole square. Split this 64. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. So 4 into 4 into 4. Cubic root of 4 is 3 times we get the number inside of the square root. Okay, sorry, square root, no, cubic root. So we take the 4 is outside. So 4 and the power exponent is 2. So 4 square. 4 square is 1 by 4 into 4. 4 into 4 is, we get the product of the number is 16.